ChatGPT ads have arrived. This is huge because, according to reports, on February 2026, ChatGPT reached 900 million active users. It's a change on the way we make ads because it departs from keyword or interest-centric models to a model where what is more relevant is the context where your product can fit in. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can do the setup of your account so you can start advertising inside ChatGPT. Right now, ChatGPT ads are available just in United States, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. However, they just announced that they will be expanding to other countries such as UK, Japan, Brazil, and Mexico in the upcoming weeks. So probably when you see this video, it's already in your country. So to start, first you need to go to ads.openai.com. Then you click on the sign up, you choose your account and finish the authentication, and then you will have to set up your business. It's really important that you fill out these steps correctly because after you finish the setup, you won't be able to change this information. So you click on continue, and here you have to put your legal business name. In this case, it will be Porter Metrics. You paste your website URL, upload an image for your favicon, and select your industry. After, you click on next. Now you will have to pick your country, your currency, your time zone, just like if you're gonna use ChatGPT for individual purposes or for your business, and then you have to answer if you are an agency. Just so you are aware, right now you cannot create accounts on behalf of your clients. Your client will have to create their own ChatGPT ads account, and then they will have to provide you access to it. In my case, I choose business and we're not an agency. Now you're gonna click on create advertiser account. Afterwards, you will need to verify your account. You click on begin verifying, and here you will have to provide your employer identification number. Probably this will vary depending on the country where you are. Then you provide your physical address, you click on continue, and you click on done. Now you will have to wait a few days while ChatGPT runs the verification over your account. In our case, the verification took 2 days. When you get the approval, you will receive an email like the one I'm showing you right now, and you click on complete account setup. After this, you will enter the ChatGPT Ads Manager for your first time. Now I'm gonna show you how you can invite other people to your account. So you click on settings, you click on users, then you click on invite, you add the email of the user that you want to add and select the role. The roles right now are admin, member, and viewer. Then you click on invite. Now to set up your billing information, you click on billing, settings, and set up billing profile. There you will need to add your card information and your invoice delivery email. Then you click on save. If you are inside billing and click on overview, you will see your outstanding balance, when it's going to be your next automatic payment. In my case will be May 31st, or when I hit the billing threshold that right now is $25. And when was your last payment if you have done any. Now let's create a campaign. You click on Ads Manager, you click on Create Campaign. The logic is exactly the same as it is in the Meta Ads Manager. You have campaigns, ad groups, and ads. You give a name to your campaign. In this case, it will be Porter Metrics MCP. If you didn't know, in Porter Metrics, we have an MCP that connects more than 20 marketing data platforms to Cloud or ChatGPT. After you have created your free account and connect the Porter Metrics MCP to ChatGPT or Cloud, you get access to all the data inside of those marketing data platforms, such as Meta Ads, Google Ads, TikTok Ads, or LinkedIn Ads. I suggest you go and check it out. Let's continue. Then you have to select the objective of your account. So far, there are two objectives available: reach and clicks. Conversions is still not available. If you select reach, your campaign will be optimized for views and visibility using CPM as pricing, cost per thousand impressions. And if you select clicks, your campaign will be optimized for engagement and traffic using CPC pricing, cost per click. Then you can select the countries where you want your ad to be displayed. You can select all or just pick one of them. In my case, I selected United States. Then you assign a budget. Right now, there's not a possibility to assign daily budget to the campaign. You have to assign a budget to the whole campaign. You can also select a conversion event. For this, you have to set up your pixel or your conversion API. I'm going to create a video on how you can do that soon, so stay tuned. Right now, I'm not gonna select any event because this is just a test. I just want to see how this ChatGPT Ads Manager works. Then you select the start date and if you want an end date for your campaign. You click on next and you will now have to set up your ad group. You give a name to your ad group. In this case, it will be Google Ads MCP. Then you have to select the maximum CPC bid for your campaign. The minimum will be 3 USD, and you can set up the maximum as you want. You select the website where the clicks will redirect. and now you have to fill out this context hints box. This is a bit different from other ad platforms because compared to Facebook, where you do segmentations and you can select audience interest, and in Google Ads you can select keywords. Here you will have to provide context around conversation topics or keywords where your product or the service that you're advertising is relevant. This is really important because you have to remember that the ads in ChatGPT will be displayed at the end of the answer ChatGPT provides to a user. So in this case, right now, I just provided some words, some keywords, and some topics that I think are relevant. You will have to do the same for your product or service. And after you have done that, you click on Configure Ads. You give a name to your ad, then you provide a headline and a description, and you can upload your image. Your image have to be a 1:1 ratio and 256 pixels on each side. As you can see, we don't have a lot of characters to type, so copywriting is going to be pretty important. In the right panel, you will see a preview of your ad. Then you click on review, you will see a summary of your ad, and ChatGPT will start reviewing your ad before launching it. After ChatGPT have reviewed your ad, you will see under the status column a green dot with the word serving. However, in my case, it happened that after 30 minutes, I saw my ad running, but later went back to not serving. So I still need to figure out what happened. And this is how you can set up your account and create your first ChatGPT ad. In the next video, we will check out how you can set up your pixel and conversion API. I hope this video was useful. Subscribe. I hope this video was useful. Subscribe and see you in the next one.